Us to the current controversy. Kung magmula sa 1998, ito palang mga pondong ito is subject to liquidation by certification without any requirement for any documentary or evidence. 1998, ngayon 2013, January. Bakit ngayon lang lumabas yan?
Actually ho, as I said, noong 2011, lumabas na po.
Ayun. Except that you were quiet about
Of
it.
course,
But
kasi ayaw naman namin ng publisidad or whatever, but we were quietly doing our work.
So you haven't answered my question, and this is strictly an opinion on your part. Not.
Yes.
Bakit sa palagay nyo, ngayon lang lumabas yung kabalbala na yan?
Divine providence. The cosmic forces.
Nakaarma ngayon sila.
Cosmic forces. Parang, di ba there's always a time of reckoning?
Uh-huh.
Naniniwala po ako doon, no? When it's time, it's time. And this is the time.
Oh yeah, but God
Nagkataon
works.
ako yung chairperson.
So you're saying it's God. It's the will of God.
I think
but
so.
God,
Parang
helps those who help themselves. So who do you think is God's representative here? Is that Senate President Enrile or is that Senator Cayetano? Or
I would say ang taong bayan din, ano? Kasi hindi
na-surprise
naman
na lang kami.
pero hindi naman po siguro magkakaroon ng encouragement, no, na lumabas itong mga ito kung hindi without the thought that hey, bayan is listening.
Sa inyong palagay, is there any indication na yung budget ng House of Representatives and the Senate are already arranged so that there is going to be savings?
The
That
power
smile
of
of
the
yours.
purse, the power of the purse is in Congress. So I cannot delve into their
And you do not want to tell me whether you think Congress abused that power?
no.
No.
Why not? Because, ma'am, I do not have enough basis at this point. But the way things are turning out, it may be an indication that the budget of Congress should also be a little more scrutinized.
Okay.
Kasi ang Kongreso, lahat po ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya, binubusisi talaga.
Ng Kongreso.
Oo.
Pero yung kanilang budget,
Oo.
hindi nila binubusisi. Bakit ganon? How can we correct that? In other words, who is going to scrutinize the scrutinizer?
Tao po, I would suppose taong
But
bayan.
how can the taong bayan do that? They don't have access. Wala tayong freedom of information.
Meron po. Meron po. These are not, we don't need an FOI for this.
Oh.
Nakalagay sa website po ng DBM ang
Pero
ating
this is
NEP.
after the fact.
No, even the NEP, the proposed budget.
And
You can
how-
even get it from Congress.
But how can the people say, oh, that's too much?
Ang palagay ko lang-
anong mga giya
Ma'am,
na
ang
bibigay
palagay
nyo?
ko lang deterrent dyan kasi ang kapal-kapal. No? Ang hirap intindihin. Siguro kung ang taong bayan ay magiging mas vigilant lamang at papansinin itong mga reports na ganito na linalabas namin, magkakaroon po kayo ng sapat na kaalaman kung magkano ang ginagastos ng bawat isang kongresista
Ayan,
o ng senador.
Going on that, ang budget po ng House of Representatives is 5.8 billion for 2012. Kung there are 280, 285, about 20, that's the House of Representatives. Ngayon, yung Senado naman, 2.8 billion divided by 24, that's also about 20 million, right? So, both houses, the average per member is about 20 million a year. I mean, it looks like. Okay. Now, sinasabi nyo ngayon paano, saang pumapasok dito ang taong bayan para malaman, para magalit sila o magsabi sila, oy, sobra na yan. Paano nila malalaman lahat ito?
As I said a while ago, meron po kaming utos from the Saligang Batas na i-publish every year yung itemized expenses and payments made to members of Congress.
So,
and we do that.
Sa mga
Sa mga
periodical?
dyaryo po. Dailies, I mean, the major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin.
Ako po ay, nagbabasa. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yon. Can you give us kung paano lumalabas yan? Can you
I
help?
can I have here a small copy of what was published. For example, on the 2010. Ito
Okay.
I can discuss this kasi ito na-publish na po ito ano.
And you have
All these columns,
okay.
no?
So, sige,
Apa.
pakita nyo sa amin.
Apo, ito po, nandito sa unang column yung pangalan ng lahat ng senador, tapos magkano ang tinanggap nila bilang sweldo sa salaries, magkano ang nagastos nila sa kanilang travels, dito rin, magkano naman ang nagastos ng kanilang staff, pati yung pagbiyahe po ng mga staff nila, nandyan din, magkano naman yung mga sweldo at benepisyo ng kanilang staff, meron din po dyan, magkano ang ginastos sa kanilang mga meetings at mga conferences, mga binabayaran nilang professional and consultancy fees, supplies and materials ng bawat opisina, rental na binabayaran ng bawat opisina o senador, tapos yung and others. Ito na yung extraordinary and miscellaneous expenses at saka other MOO. Ito yung mga
Ayan.
hindi nakadetalye.
Ayan,
So
ang
meron po tayong total.